Hey there, future coding wizards! Welcome to Code Funhouse. Get ready to dive into the magical world of Python and explore variables. Imagine entering a theme park, and the first stop is the variable ride, where you create special boxes to hold anything. Step 1. The variable ride. Imagine a magical house filled with colorful, glowing boxes. These boxes are your variables. Each one holds something important, like a score or a secret message. To store a score of 100, you'd write Python score = 100 print score. Now, you've got a box named score holding 100. You can change what's inside any time by assigning a new value. Step 2, your first variable challenge. Now it's your turn. Head over to the code editor and create your first variable. Assign it any value you like, just like filling your box with treasure. Ready to see your score come to life? Awesome job! Step 3. The variable mission. Congratulations, you've mastered the basics. Now, it's time for your first variable mission. Inside the mission house, calculate the total scores of 3 players. Create 3 new variables. Assign the right values to each player's score. Python player 1, underscore score, = 100 player. 2 underscore score, = 50 player 3, underscore score = 150. Once you've got those scores stored, print player 1 underscore score, player 2 underscore score, player 3 underscore score. Let's move on to the next step. Step 4. Celebrate your victory. Fantastic work, coder. Now let's sum all 3 player scores. Here's how. Total underscore score = player 1 underscore score plus player 2 underscore score plus player 3 underscore score print total score. Step 5. Your emoji mission. Before we wrap up, here's a fun mission. Create a variable with any celebration emoji. Then, print it to show off your skills. Here are some cool emojis. And there you have it, your Python variable adventure. Keep practicing and you'll create amazing things. Ready for your next coding ride? Let's go!